So in some, Israel's legal representatives at the International Court of Justice today saying that South Africa's genocide case is unfounded and even using the word absurd. To discuss, we're joined by South African legal commentator, advocate Michael Osborne. He's an advocate, a former lecturer as well in international law in the US and locally at UCT and Wits. Advocate, thank you for being with us. Did Israel do a good job in justifying its conduct in Gaza today?
Good evening, Francis. I think they did a creditable job with difficult facts, and I thought that Malcolm did a fantastic job in presenting his side of the story in a characteristically measured and I thought quite convincing fashion. That doesn't mean I think that South Africa will lose. I simply think that the judges have a lot to think about.
Well, if you weigh up the strength of the argument, I mean, Israel is saying that South Africa has completely failed to prove any genocidal intent. So contrast with that with South Africa is saying yesterday that the evidence of genocidal intent is not only chilling, it's overwhelming.
Yes, and that's really the core question, is how does one define genocide, firstly, for the purposes of the convention, and secondly, how one proves it. Now, as to the definition that's vexed, the traditional definition of genocide has been the intentional destruction of a people or a race or an ethnic group.